We all dogs around here, man. Everybody getting PC. Make it. Watch slant. Yeah. Toss out. Just keep him off. Keep him off. Oh! Oh! Come on, B. Hey, they ain't messing with the wiggle. Cause they think I'm tall. They're like, oh, he's 6'4". He only going for a deep ball. I'm gonna take your ankles now. Don't play with me. Sharks, baby. Sharks, baby. Go zone. Wake up. We eat those, Brownie. We eat those. Yeah, I can, but he's playing over the top too. That's all I'm saying.
I'm not worried about the top. I'm worried about you getting off the press.
Yeah, I'll get off the press.
You know, Cannonutty's getting him. You should have this man right here. He has to kick out. So Ram, check Lion. Look.
Watch the track. Drag. Safeties. Drag.
Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir, Jake. Oh, my God. Woo! That's a dog right there. Hey, Jake, you a dog.
You should have been a Ram call. You should check Lion. So check Lion's all your left gap.
Right for blast pass. Hey, Macus, you got slant. Slant. I told you. Macus, what'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? Let's go. What'd I tell you, boy? What'd I tell you? I told him, I was like, Macus, we're running supposed to get in the slant drop. You're gonna get a pick. Then he runs out like, slant, Macus, slant. Still right there, pick. Mac Daddy, I told you. Hey, no, you're good. Hey, coach, I called that. I was like, Macus, watch the slant right now. And then as soon as he ran that slant. Loma football, baby. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Yeah. Yeah, baby, let's go. Point Loma football, man. Hey, Miles. You welcome, boy. I hit that block, boy. I hit that block, boy. You know, got the parents right here. You know, all the great fans. My mom's over there. That's my heart, my everything. This is everybody, you know. This is Point Loma right here. All right, you know, I just want to thank PPR for giving me this opportunity. You know, it's a blessing to even be mic'd up. You know, I'll have fun with y'all today. We started off slow, but then we picked it up in the second half, got a W, man. I want to thank PPR for everything they do for us. You know, Point Loma football is different. We different. I just want to thank y'all for everything you do. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be mic'd up. And, you know, look for me more this season. Yes, sir. Thank you.